Okay, looking at question 9. Question 9, part A. Part A asks us to determine the interest in dollars earned. So Mrs. Annan invested 8,000 in the credit union and received 9,536. So therefore the interest will be equal to the amount. So in this case here, to find out the interest, we need this equation here, interest equal the amount minus the principal. So the amount after 3 years was 9,536 minus the principal, which is the original sum invested, which will be $8,000. And therefore the interest in dollars is 1536. Looking at part B asks us what is the annual interest rate. Well, basically we're going to use this formula here. The rate equal interest, and we work out the interest. The interest is 1536. So we have 1536 multiplied by 100 all over the principal by time. So the principal is the original sum invested, which is 8,000, multiplied by the time in years, which is 3 years. When we worked out that, we got for the numerator 153,600 all over 24,000. And that gives us a rate of 6.4%. Answer, we're going to check. So we're going to plug in all information in the interest formula. So interest equal principal by rate by time all over 100. So let's see if we work out this formula, we get back the interest of 1536. So if everything is correct and we plug it into the formula, we should get back an interest of 1536, which is a known value. So again, the principal was 8,000 multiplied by the rate, which is 6.4, multiplied by time, which is 3 years, all over 100. And indeed, when this is worked out, we got an interest of 1536. So this rate then is our correct answer, because after plugging it into the formula, we got back the same interest of 1536. Hence, we know that it is a correct number. Now, looking at part C of the question, how long will it take for the investment to double? So for the investment to double, right? So the original investment is 8,000. For 8,000 to double, which means to say 8 by 2 equals 16,000. Right, so 8 by 2 is 16,000. So that is how the investment will double. Now, for the investment to double, it means to say that we must have an interest. So it will be the principal, and the interest must be 8,000 also. That will give us 16,000. So in order for our investment to double, we must earn an interest of 8,000. So therefore, what the question is asking us basically, how long it will take to earn an interest of 8,000. And when we earn the interest of 8,000, our investment will double. So basically, we have to find the time. So time equal interest multiplied by 100. Right, this is the time formula here. Time is interest multiplied by 100 over principal by rate. So using the time formula, which is interest, and our targeted interest is $8,000. So we can see 8,000 is our targeted interest multiplied by 100 all over principal by rate. And the principal is 8,000. The original amount invested is 8,000 multiplied by the rate. So the rate worked out previously was 6.4%. So after working out this, we got a numerator of 800,000 as the numerator, and 51,200 as the denominator. So 800,000 divided by 51,200 will give us an answer of 15.625 years. So it will take us approximately 15.6 years for the investment to double. Because we know the interest is $8,000 and 12 as the number of years will give us an incorrect answer. So we know 12 is incorrect. So that's the end of question 9 here.